NEC, empowered by innovation. Welcome to NEC's UC Desktop Suite solution for the UniVerge SV8100 platform. During the next 10 to 15 minutes, we will cover key capabilities of UC Desktop Suite that address common challenges being faced by business today. In today's business world, demands for our attention take the form of phone calls, emails, voice messages, and text messages. Supplying the tools to help you provide the best possible customer care while increasing productivity and reducing the human latency associated with tedious manual operations is the ultimate goal of the UC Desktop Suite. Some of the challenges you may face include needing a way to manage your customers as individuals using simple automated processes that provide you with access to the available resources within your organization, even when out of the office. UC Desktop Suite is a single application that manages shared resources and facilitates communication with features that include personal and shared contact directories, real-time monitoring of telephone status, phone and instant messaging, present status indication, enhanced collaboration tools, and database integrations. Managing your customers begins with their contact information. UC Desktop Suite enables you to organize contacts, including their alternate numbers and addresses, through the embedded personal directory. The Notes section in the contact profile can be used to add value to your relationship with your customer. Contact information can be imported from a CSV file, pushed from Outlook, or entered manually. If your contact information is already in a customer relationship management database like Outlook, ACT, or Salesforce.com, integration to UC Desktop Suite will increase your productivity by incorporating call handling capabilities like popping contact information on an incoming call and dialing out directly from a profile. We've seen how UC Desktop Suite can help you manage your customers. How simple is it to use? For your convenience, UC Desktop Suite can be configured as a toolbar or window. The toolbar view consists of a dialing string, call status area, dial or hang up button, speed dial list with redial access to the last 20 calls, file button for preference setup, call log, directories, hold button, presence setting, and telephone functions. The toolbar user interface layout is designed to take up a minimum amount of space on the desktop. The function buttons in the toolbar can be customized by the user, as well as the size, order, and the associated hotkey. The window view offers more detailed visibility. In the upper left is your presence setting. Below the toolbar is a list of active calls and calls in progress. The individual user buttons provide telephone status and presence. Based on personal preference, an animation can be displayed when a user's presence status changes. The icons in the toolbar access features like Hold, Transfer, Conference, Park, Page, and Record with a single click. Regardless of the view you prefer, the simple interface enables you to handle incoming calls more efficiently than you can with a telephone, especially when multiple calls are in progress. To make you more efficient, you can dial anyone in your database by opening your personal directory contact list and right-click on the name of the person you'd like to call. A drop-down menu will appear. Select Dial Main or Dial Alternate, and the call will be placed automatically. You can also dial directly from your call log, a customer relationship management application, an Excel spreadsheet, or cut and paste a number from any document, application, or web page. So far, you've seen how UC Desktop Suite can help you manage your contacts, handle incoming calls, and dial automatically. How can it assist you in treating your callers as individuals? Caller ID information, including name where available, is displayed in the active call area so you can greet your caller personally. If you are already engaged in a conversation, knowing who is calling enables you to make an informed decision about taking the call or letting it forward to voicemail. If you're an Exchange user, the UC Desktop Suite integration to Outlook matches the incoming caller ID information to your Outlook contact list and provides a screen pop giving you even more information about the caller. For example, according to your notes, Charlie called you last Thursday about placing an order. Knowing who is calling enables you to make an informed decision about taking the call or letting it forward to another extension or voicemail. In this example, we see UC Desktop Suite in Toolbar view. To take the call, click either answer icon. As with Outlook, the integration of UC Desktop Suite with ACT produces the same results. In this example, the calling party ID received by UC Desktop Suite in Toolbar View is matched to the ACT profile for Charlie Nyman. To take the call, click either answer icon. If the UC Desktop Suite is integrated to Salesforce.com, the calling information appears in the Salesforce Active Call window. When a match is made with a contact in the database, the contact profile pops. To take the call, click on the Answer button. Answering a caller by name is one way to improve your customer's calling experience. The ability to satisfy their requests without having to call them back is another. How can UC Desktop Suite help? You can't always handle all customer requests alone. Sometimes you need the assistance of another member of your team to complete a task or resolve an issue. Through the power of presence, you can view a colleague's whereabouts and availability in real time. You can also see your colleague's current telephone status. For example, gray indicates that the telephone is idle. Blue indicates that the telephone is forwarded. Solid green indicates that the telephone is in use. If, however, the lamp is flashing green, it indicates that the telephone is ringing, and red indicates that the telephone is in Do Not Disturb. You can manually set your presence status by selecting your presence icon in the upper corner, then selecting an activity from the drop-down menu. Based on the icons displayed, we can see that Selena is out sick, Harvey is on business travel, Lauren is gone for the day, and Michelle is in training. While Misty is on vacation, Kyla is on a coffee break, Samuel is in a meeting, and Steve is at lunch. Moving the mouse over an extension's present status icon will show the details and special instructions for the extension. Here we see that Harvey's business travel has taken him to Chicago. He's scheduled to return at the end of the week. His calls are forwarded to extension 100, or he can be reached on his cell. To make it even simpler to keep your colleagues informed, you can automate your present status changes. For example, if you're an Exchange user, your present status can be changed through calendar appointments. If, however, you're not an Exchange user, you can automate your status changes through the embedded presence scheduler. Who within your organization is available is very important if you need an immediate answer for a customer. Through Presence and UC Desktop Suite, you can do more than just know a colleague's whereabouts. For example, Oliver Sims is at his desk, but according to his busy lamp field, he is currently on a call. Oliver has the answer you need. Instant Message opens a chat session that won't interfere with Oliver's call or yours, but will get you your answer. You can even save the exchange for future reference. As an alternative, you could have sent a quick message to several colleagues who could assist you and improve your chances of getting a speedy answer. In this case, you know that Brad, Sean, and Stan have the authority to approve a discount, so you send a quick message to all three. Each receives a screen pop with your message. Brad is the first to respond. View his response in the active call window. If you need more than a quick answer from one or more colleagues, try the real-time collaboration capabilities offered by the Data Conference feature. Let's say that your proposal to Acme Widgets needs some creative modification and number crunching. You know that Brad, Stuart, and Rocco are all available. Now would be a good time to get everyone together, but since they're all in different buildings, setting up a conference is your best option. Simply select More in the Window View toolbar and scroll down to Data Conference, or in Toolbar View, select the Data Conference icon. Selecting Data Conference opens the Participant Invitation window. Choose desired users from the shared directory and send. Once the application is launched, all collaboration tools for video, chat, whiteboard, application sharing, and file transfer are available to all conference participants. UC Desktop Suite collaboration tools are designed to improve efficiency, increase productivity, and reduce travel costs by not only providing support for audio conferencing for up to 8 parties, but enabling you to add application sharing and even video without having to engage a third-party provider. Video can be used to enhance the dynamics of a virtual conference room by enabling you to see and interact with the other participants. The function icons shown in the video window make it easy to control your video output. Chat collaboration allows you to communicate during a collaboration session using text messaging. Difficult content that is hard to convey in an audio conversation, like an address or website URL, may be sent easily during chat. Chat collaboration sessions may be saved to a file for future reference. The UC Desktop Suite collaboration tools also expand the capabilities of the virtual meeting room by including a whiteboard function in the communication board. Control of the whiteboard session is shared to enable all participants to simultaneously contribute to and view the images produced. Application sharing permits you to share files when you are in an internal peer-to-peer or conference call environment. Based on the permissions granted during a call, applications can be viewed in the communications board window and controlled by all participants on the call. The ability for team members to work simultaneously on a single document or application in real time increases productivity and improves response time. File transfer provides an easy method to send one or more files while on a call. Simply select the file to be transferred, drag and drop it into the communication board, and click File Transfer. Large files can be easily and immediately exchanged, reducing the delay associated with emailing. We've reviewed what UC Desktop Suite can do to assist you in improving the levels of customer satisfaction and increasing your productivity through status and collaboration tools. What happens when you're out of the office? While out of the office, you can access your desktop features through a web interface from your smartphone, tablet, or laptop. Once logged in, you are able to change your status, access your contacts, dial from the application, and redirect your office number to voicemail, any extension on the system, or an external telephone number, ensuring that your customers' calls never go unanswered. Regardless of the smartphone or tablet you are using, if you have a web browser, you have access to your UC Desktop Suite application. Have a question while you're at a customer site and need some assistance from a colleague? Check their availability and place a call through Mobile Presence Directory. We've looked at how UC Desktop Suite helps you meet the challenges of providing exemplary service to your customer community through organization and productivity tools you can use whether you're in the office or not. Hopefully, we've shown you the power behind this intuitive application. If you would like more information or wish to see a full in-depth demonstration of the solution, send us an email at necfocus@necam.com. We would be happy to schedule a live session and answer any of your questions. NEC, empowered by innovation.